There are several common features between Google and Amazon when comparing load balancing. Requests can be either in HTTP, TCP, or UDP. Requests can come from the internet or from internal resources. The load balancers can be positioned behind a firewall to limit client access. Both support health checks and session affinity. In addition, Google's HTTP load balancer and Amazon's application load balancer support path-based routing to microservices, so we'll focus on them. AWS load balancers are a managed service that is instance-based, and the load balancer can take minutes to scale. They are built within a region and can only distribute traffic in the region. So if you're expecting a significant amount of traffic to reach the load balancer at a predetermined time, it may be necessary to open a ticket with AWS support to pre-warm the load balancer to handle the traffic. Elastic load balancers can handle HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, and application traffic. Let's surmise the key differences between the approaches taken by GCP and AWS to load balancing. GCP load balancers are software-based. AWS load balancers run on EC2 instances. The difference in service type is the reason why you don't have to pre-warm load balancers in GCP. The service can spin up quickly because a virtual disk is not used. An EC2 instance can take minutes to start. So if you're expecting heavy amount of traffic in a short period of time on AWS, you may have to open a support ticket to manually start more load balancer virtual machines. GCP load balancers are a global managed service. The load balancer can survive a region outage because the service is not built in a region. The service is built on the network edges. AWS load balancers are built in regions. So a region that goes down can take the load balancer with it. A GCP load balancer can route traffic based on a URL for HTTP only. The URL can direct traffic to a particular backend service. AWS can route traffic based on a listener and a listener rule for HTTP and for TCP. Both GCP and AWS leverage health checks to ensure that traffic is only sent to healthy instances and can auto-heal, which is the option to destroy virtual machines with new instances. But GCP health checks can be used on both load balancer via the backend and an instance group. AWS only applies health checks to the target group. GCP offers load balancers that can distribute traffic globally and within a region. AWS load balancers can only distribute traffic within a region. To achieve load balancing at a global scale in AWS, you would need to combine a regional load balancer with AWS Global Accelerator.